There we go. Oh my god, guys, I'm late to stream, but it's because I solved like 18 captures before the stream. They asked me so many captures before they let me sign in. God damn it. Hello, Ryokova. To read this chat message, please select all pictures of streetwalks. Dude, I hate captures so much. Fun fact, a lot of captures are actually not trying to test you. They are making you do a test. So if you ever get 2 captures in a row, on the second capture, just type in random bullshit. Make their business model not work and make someone else stay miserable because they are going to get your capture solution and it's not gonna match. You see a capture of like fire hydrants, just select everything but the hydrants. They're gonna get making everyone's life miserable on purpose. You know why? Cause I can. Boo. Hello, Lila. Hello, games. I am James. Okay, hello, James. Let me show you what I've been working on this week. Meowdy partner. Hello, G-Star the First. Hello, Nick Williams. So I have some pretty sick shit to show you guys. How do you like this? How do you like it? Yes, I'm streaming on Twitch and YouTube at the same time. Howdy, partner. I reckon I'd give you a friendly tip. Them dry bones up in them hills, they're tough as old leather. Spent their days guzzling milk, so reckon your little hops ain't gonna make a dent. Figured I'd tip my hat and give you a heads up, partner. And we got the windows, look at this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Empty? They are still gonna get some milk drinks and like stuff on their plates. Right, and the shop's gonna be stored full of milk. It's dark? Well, I mean, yeah, kinda. It's not that dark. A bit repetitive. What the fuck? You guys hating this? I like this a lot. UV variation on man-made floor tiles. Oh, the air dust. Yeah, that could do some. One of them should be drinking milk. No. Hey, skedaddle. Epic, missing that loud, crowded feel you see in the movies though. It's kind of difficult to make this loud and crowded. And we also have the issue that all of them need to have a text. And it's very difficult to come up with good text for like a million NPCs. But no, having more NPCs than this is just gonna like... The air dust, yeah. It doesn't really render correctly on N64, unfortunately, so... Might have to do something about that. I also really like the lamps here. You can see how they light Mario up. And they look so shiny. The corners of the room just look a bit too dark. They need to look dark. That's part of the vibe. We ChatGPT could come up with all the text for you. No, I doubt it. Ever ponder if there's more to life than cowboy hats and milk and calling false partner? Nah, who am I kidding? It don't get no better than this. But piano work in the corner? Yeah, there still needs to be like a stage here with some stuff in it. Yeah, I don't think we can have more NPCs anyway. Hello, OJG. I just realized you're here. Have it do the thing from the movies where a floorboard creaks and everybody looks at you. That would be funny, but no, I don't want them to turn around because they're sitting on the edge of their seats and it's gonna look weird animation-wise. But can you have more NPCs? Okay. 1, it might cause lag, but 2, more importantly, it's gonna suck. Who wants to talk to this many NPCs? And then also, like, how do we give all of them semi-relevant text? I don't want to add NPCs that then are just gonna not contribute to the game being fun. Also, Mario's looking too much at these enemies, I think. I should turn it down. Yeah, but they don't talk to you, Leela. That's the difference. Anyway, we need some OST. I like Pirate Town a lot for this. Right now I'm waiting for Biomech to send me the thing, by the way. We're gonna be working on Quiz 5 today, most likely. The Koopa with a 10-gallon head. Yep, it's pretty good. Yeah, I'm not that worried about the likely though. It's just that texts are gonna suck. There will be instructions, alright. What level are you making? This is the Wild West level, but we're likely gonna switch to the Ghost Ship level in a bit. How much use ChatGPT to help with coding? Barely ever. I just use it as a Google. Like if I need to know a function name for like Unreal Engine 5, I put it in there. For my Mario project, I never use it at all. There's no use case for it so far, unfortunately. Can we just turn this to like 0.5 and reduce this? If you sadism and ability against evolutionary theory. Interesting. I mean, ChatGPT is emulating what people would do, so people would probably refuse that because it's such a fundamental belief. Right? No one is gonna budge on like the fundamentals of their worldview when you debate them on it. Or at least it's very unlikely. The NPCs are popping in. Yeah, if you do this, they have the little pop-in animation. Or do you mean they're popping in at the edges of the screen? Because... no, I don't see that. Do you just mean that they're not visible rendering like from frame 1? If so, yeah, that's like a thing in the engine I need to fix, I think. Oh yeah, the wanted posters would be very nice. Ah, yeah, the bouncy animation. Yeah, I need to remove that. Did you forget to add a clear color? You mean like here? No, this game on purpose doesn't have a clear color because applying the clear color takes around 3 milliseconds, which is like 10% of the render time of a frame. So doing a clear color is gonna be very, very expensive for the N64. How am I going to be? No, you're not going to be playing as Yoshi. It's Mario returning to Yoshi's Island. Which game will you port into SPC after that? I don't know. I don't know if I will. You need bound to be outside with every star's outlaw on it and getting a star removes the poster from the outlaw. Actually, very similar idea I had. Maybe a bit better. This jail cell here, every time you catch an outlaw, the outlaw will be in here. So this jail cell slowly fills up as you collect stars, which I think is even better. We also got a cactus now. Isn't that cute? Someone on Twitter sent this to me. Could you make it smaller? Who is it? Hello, Mayo Sunshine. Glad you like the bar. This is still an old cactus, don't look at it. Although, I almost think the geometry of this better. You don't like the lighting here? What the fuck? Oh, the lighting in the bar. No, I want the bar to be dark. Oh, I didn't explain this, but wait, I need more music. Piano cowboy music. So I didn't explain this before, but if you talk to all these guys, you'll find out there's some stuff going on here. So let's like talk to him. There's something with a bit more kick. Yep, we get that. Hey, hush now, we got ears on us. Or this guy. Yep, the hidden passage is right up now. Hold it, hush up now, we got an audience. And if you look around the level, you'll see this one random door handle here. It's a fake wall. Pirate music and entertainment. True. Pirate Nintendo Pirate OST. Nintendo Pirate Music. There we go. We're just waiting for that for a little bit. What in tarnation? After decom loop for a while, how's the lighting effect from the windows done? It's just the light. Like literally just the light in F3D. Yeah. Our mission for today is gonna be reworking the pirate ship, but it's gonna take a little bit. There's a lot of stuff that I still need to do on the pirate ship actually. Huge seam in the skybox. We want Geonode. Actually, I don't know if we want them anymore. Now that Biobank has reworked it. And definitely need to make some changes to the panorama. Zayna joined the... Zayna, you subscribed last week. The hell? How are you doing this? Let me actually change the start warp. Cool. What did you think of the tier list I uploaded today? I ranked all my ROM hacks. My opinions on Windows 11. I don't need even more spyware. I would still be using Windows 7 if it was a viable option. Oh yeah, I feel like this area could definitely make more use of some cool lighting effects. Why would you put this tier list in the tier list? Huh? I don't understand. Source of the new optimized engine available? I make it available to like some of the other hackers, but I haven't publicly released it yet because it has all my ROM hack in it. And I don't want my ROM hack to release early. There is no racist tag, come on. Man, I feel like the water could have been done a lot better here. God. I didn't realize it was like that. We're definitely gonna improve that. Yeah, when I release this hack, my engine will be public. I'll make the hack open source. Like all of it at the same time. As soon as 7 seems open, my PC is a budget toaster. Oh, okay. I wonder if the doors actually work in this now. Because remember, last time I sent this to Biobank, we had huge issues with the doors. Oh, it works! I fixed it, Biobank. Right after sending the ROM to you, I fixed it somehow. Whoops. Yeah, you can tell this level was made a long time ago. I see a lot of improvable parts about the whole aesthetic here. Like the wood having lines here, that's fucking weird. This one random line on there, actually that's kind of fine. The budget windows here, they look very out of style. This floor here doesn't fit in. The colors, I feel like there needs to be more... It needs to be darker in the corners and brighter in the middle. Have like a bit more contrast in here. These staircases, that's not how... Actually, the staircases may be fine. Yeah, don't worry, I'll give the Blender model a good review, like always. The skybox looks a little cramped compared to what? Yeah, and the water doesn't fade out correctly. It definitely needs the proper fade into the skybox. The skybox doesn't have the thing. Dude, the metal texture here looks weird. Doesn't fit with the wooden... Like, there's wood and metal here. Damn. That's not how it should be. Although I do like these a lot. That's very cute. Why is there noodles on the floor? Where do you see noodles? Wait, these shadows have no coin. These coins have no shadow. Interesting. They do not. There, we fixed it. Keep this room in mind because it looks like garbage compared to the rework. No offense to 2019 case. No, I believe you. I mean, I just saw a bunch of stuff I don't like either. Do you have a way of making vertex colors or is it painted manually? A little bit of both. The ship with... The level with clouds and random ship. That's a different level entirely. Send the model. Alright. Hello, are we back? Biobank clearly sent me a virus. Here we go. Sneaky triangles. What? I want to make a new folder. What's a behavior script? Basically Mario 64 has like script files like this that run like complex operations. Like this spawns a whole object. And then they also have like specialized commands like this that run like a certain function. The changelog. The changelog? Biobike, I don't have a changelog. There has not been a changelog with what you've sent me. It's in the Blender file? What? What is this technology? Oh, there's some textures missing here. Or maybe they're not missing. Maybe that's just a Blender preview being wrong. Hey, he's a very active person on PS2 homebrewing called Daniel Sanders. Explained maybe the reason why companies TMC their fans companies just don't want competition in the long term. Well, that would be the very obvious suggestion, yeah. Could be. I don't know if they're making that calculated of a decision. Wouldn't they want people to keep modding so they don't become game devs? Or maybe game dev modding is considered like a game dev pipeline and they don't want that? I don't know. Just don't look at it, Trippy. How do I close this? Biobag is gonna be so sad that... Oh god. Okay, fine, I guess we can read this here. Close click to scroll sideways. Alright. It doesn't work. No. Let me close this. How do I do this? Do I have to do... The heck? Surely there's a way to... No! There we go. Ooh, that's a nice looking ship. Yo! Look, it looks like it's drooling. Alright. Stay in the layout tab to view the model better. I prefer the layout tab, yes. Alright. All the actors and shit are visible in the modeling tab, but discover the model in this tab. Go through the entire model changelog on Blender first. There are a lot of changes in room and shit, so importing it straight away will not work right away. Well, I never import it right away anyway. Shipping updated textures and lightning and vibe. Okay, first of all, dude, this is fucking sick looking. Look at this. Oh my god. 1,700 triangles only. That's good. Okay, somehow we managed to do this with 1,700 triangles. This looks sick. I like it. The scratches here still look good. Okay, so I asked you something in DMs. Well, I'm streaming right now. I'm not reading that. Can you ask it on stream? Yeah, this also looks much better. Teeth are nice. Well, the teeth are already there in my version, so this is not something I would explicitly notice. This kind of looks like it's drooling. That also looks cool. Ooh, I like this. Oh, but these need to be moved to layer 6, or this is going to be a rendering issue. Oh, also the texture here, the texture format isn't gonna work. Oh, that's an issue. I need to change the texture format here. Let me do that real quick. Yeah, don't worry, I'm gonna read the changelog while I do this. I just gotta fix a few things. The textures you used are not gonna work together. Okay, so you have an alpha map and kind of a color texture. We'll need to, we need, Why is this a multi-texture? Yeah, good question. Your alpha is only 0 or 1, right? So this doesn't need to be a multi-texture. You can just make this a CI4 and it will work fine. It's also so cut out. This one's a bit weird. Is texture alpha for the alpha and alpha map texture for the lights? Oh, I see what you mean. I see the vision. Yeah. Unfortunately, this isn't gonna work. This one being intensity 4-bit is good, but this one will have to be like an RGB A16 and you'll have to halve the resolution. Just make the alpha map CI is also not gonna work. If you have a CI, all your textures need to be the same texture. Yeah, I get what Biomag is saying. No, this one will just have to be a lower res texture. I can just do that real quick. Window outside. Shift Alt S. Shift Alt S. Doesn't that just save the Blender file? Wait, what does that do? How do I best do this? Even a 32 by 64 is too big here, actually. Oh, does this have to be a 16 by... this is gonna make your window look a lot uglier. I don't know if you're gonna be happy with this. Oh wait, I removed the alpha mask this way. Oops. I see. That didn't work. Shit. I need GIMP for this. Hello Hashi. If you do the texture, it saves the texture. Oh, but I want all the textures anyway. Lila, okay, you need to understand the alpha texture isn't actually an alpha texture. It's like just a texture that is called alpha. That still looks fine. Yeah, I'm not gonna hate on this one. Wait, how did that just turn so ugly? It was fine before. Huh? How did this one turn so bad all of a sudden? I am so confused. Oh, I see. There we go. Hey, we saved it. He's right away. Set first texture update thing. No, Lila, what you're saying makes no sense. You don't even understand what this is. Next. Move the entire ship and all actors up to make the base of the ship taller. Looks better. I hope it doesn't break anything. It is going to break something, but it's fine. Okay, I see. So all of that stuff is kind of moved down. Updated geo all around the ship, collision mostly the same. Made door to the outside boss fight at the back of the ship into a bigger thing with windows. Yeah, that looks very good. Although you can kind of just move on to here now during the attack, which is a bit weird. Oh, this is also... I don't know if I like this. Are you like married to this UV map, Bioback? Because this is like an optical illusion almost. It looks like a hill here. Like, are you fine with me doing this? I think that looks better. Oh, I see what you mean. But yeah, I think this is better. Not sure about window brightness. Play it with prim color. I guess you mean these? No, I think you picked a really good value here. Could have coins for the boss fight since there aren't any at the moment. The boss fight's already pretty easy. I don't think we need any, but maybe? No, this ship is just here. Actually, this is our course 5. We made this like 3 years ago. Added icebreaker thing to the front under the mouth. Ooh, I see. That's what that is. It looks like he has a little goatee. It's a drooling shark with a goatee. I thought it was pretty damn hard. Really? Okay, maybe I'll add coins. Let me do my to-do here. To-do. Consider adding coins to boss fight. Let me save this. Change lock. Okay. Made it 3 years ago and it's still your best looking level. This is the rework saw. Next, added window cannon holes around the ship. Oh, the cannon holes look good. What layer is this on? Layer 4. Okay, that should be fine. Is this still layer 4? This is layer 5 now. Oh, that's not gonna be fine. This has to be layer 4. Unfortunately. I know it looks worse, but if this is layer 5, then we're gonna get a Z sorting issue. Actually, I guess I could Z sort this. I guess I could Z sort the render. If you really wanted to. Does it look so different? Oh, but it's gonna be a lot more expensive. I think it has to be layer 4. It seems so empty even... No, I don't want there to be other ships. This is a ghost ship. Having other ships ruins the vibe, if you ask me. Made railings real. True, the railings are real. Very, very real railings. Added railing to the boss arena part. Yeah, they look cool. Move the small pillars to be centered with the door. Small pillar? I guess this one here? That's what she's talking about? This little area here looks good. Oh, it's just cut out. You think maybe we should move this up slightly, like so? The two small ones. Oh, these two, I see. Yeah, okay, that looks better. 6 months ago you saw me working on this ship. This ship is years old, but this is a rework. We have a bunch, like, prettier looking levels now. Do you like this being pushed up a little bit, Biomag, as well? Like so? I might, but it might mess with the piano. Nah, the piano's fine. Trust. I'm the programmer. Added super beams to platforms on pillar and masts. I guess super beams is... what is the super beam? Oh, these. Oh yeah, that looks sexy. Wait, did you make a whole texture just for this? Is this texture used anywhere else? It's 20 triangles. We could turn this into... what is this? 20 triangles. We could turn each one of them into 8 triangles without a texture. Right? Because it's like 2 on each side. So that's 160 triangles. Per triangle we're gonna have like 0x20 bytes of data. Compare that to the texture here, which is I think 0x100. This is okay, that's only a CI4 64 by 32. Don't know if that's gonna work. 5120 bytes. Actually, this is gonna be cheaper than... wait, why did I say 160? Oh, wait, how many is this? 20. Okay, yeah, I would have to turn this into 160. Okay, never mind. This is cheaper than making these triangles. All good. Shift Z. If you have to calculate so much, it probably isn't worth it. Yeah, it's not worth it. Timer rolls are not properly attached. Safety violation. Oh, I see. That looks cool. I like it. Added an extra loop cut to the grind ropes to make them smoother. Yeah, that looks good too. Added anchor. Dude, the anchor looks nice. This should probably be an i8 though. Or maybe not. Maybe it's better as a CI8. What the hell? There was one loose vertex somewhere. Show me the netting on the beams in the wireframe mode for a second. I want to see how it looks. The netting on the beams. Sure. There. Oh, you cut this out. Interesting. Alright, that looks good though. Edit the plank. Can't believe you forgot the plank. True. The plank, very important. Could make Mario jump higher to get coins like a diving board. Added a subdivision so you can make it react to Mario's weight and bounce when it jumps. Interesting. Okay. To do, add a bouncy diving board. Maybe has a Yoshi coin if you ground pound on it and jump very high? Question mark. I think that would look very cool to get a Yoshi coin from here, from like ground pounding it pretty high. And it could even be a shortcut up here. I'll make a note for that. Have it also be working as a shortcut up to the rope. I think that would be a very cool strategy to do. A very cool trick to show your friends. Made a hole for the mast in the big net near the boss area. Shredded the sails some more. Looks better as transparent than cut out. Yeah, unfortunately transparent. It's gonna have rendering issues. And this area is already pretty expensive to render. Because if you look from here, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible overdraws. CL Combiner you made does not export. The combiner I made doesn't export? How? What's wrong with it? Is this a FAST64 bug? It should look fine. I changed it also, you check the rest of the textures, but it says the textures are too big. It says the textures are too big? Huh? How could this be? Leela, I feel like you might know this. How are these textures too big? The first one isn't normally an i4. Oh, it has to be an i4. Can't see the second one? There. Added shadows to the grates in the center of the hole. To the grates in the center of the hole. This? Am I missing something here? Why is this solid? Where's the shadow? Is this supposed to be layer 4? Oh, that looks nice. Shouldn't be so weird that it was. Layer 5. Oh, that's even better. I hope this renders right, because the shadow might render in front of this, but I think we can sort the polygons to fix that. You remapped the cannon sense like a fucking work of art. Ah, okay. I like it. Added seaweeds around the ship. Attempted at a better sky, sea to sky transition. Expensive question mark. Let's see. Okay. Yes, this is expensive. I will do something similar. The problem with this is that these waves are gonna go up and down, so this transition here is gonna... the waves are gonna go through it. So I'm gonna have to delete this transition for now. What we are going to do is we're gonna use the skybox here. We're gonna transition the skybox at the bottom into a color, and then we're gonna transition like the outer ring of this, right? We're gonna have like these. We're gonna clamp them to the skybox, and we're gonna transition them into the sea color here. Yeah, and the skybox is gonna be in view space. Let me add that as my notes. Make skybox fade into color at bottom. Make sea fade into same color. Put skybox into view space. Hello Smith Jr. Block Waluigi. It's been quite a while, hasn't it? We are still hacking Mario over here. Spookified the rocks. These are very spooky rocks, I agree. You know what would be fun? If the rocks kind of look like a shape of something, like a shape of a ghost or something. I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm talking about, but you get the idea. Okay, next we go to the ship interior. Biobek has been hyping this one up for a while. Did he make any changes to this area? I don't think so, but that area was already pretty. I reworked this recently. Ah! Oh god, this is so different. Holy shit. Everything is different. How did he do it? Why couldn't remove pixel ordering? How are you gonna do that? Tell me the algorithm. Updated textures and lighting. Did you updated fucking everything? Nothing's the same in here. One thing that I feel like might be missing here is the chandelier at the top. It has like these lights, the blue lights on it, and I feel like that's not here. Right, the blue lights are gonna be missing. Let me show you what I mean. I'm not sure if there was something you'd already been thinking of. Don't worry, I thought of it. Oh shit. Okay, well, I'll keep reading the changelog then. Removed slope ceiling, falling floor room, and pick a door room were moved down slightly as a result. Okay. Yeah, the ceiling looks very nice actually. Dated ceiling design. Moved most of the painting to another room. No more paintings in here. Okay. Oh, there's still that one with the shy guy in it. Fucked up the carpet. This combiner should work, I think. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's transparent, but it's on the floor. It needs to be layer 6. Because it's a decor. Also, we should never use environment color here. Oh, the combiner does not work because you combine the CI texture with something again. But this texture can very easily be cut in half. Alright, let's fix this texture here. Like, we'll have to do something like that. But it's no big deal, right? Oh god, the oven turned on again. Whoops. Yep, that still looks fine, and this works now. Sounds like the inside of a monster stomach. God damn it. Revamped library section. Okay, it looks very different. Did you kill the red coin here? You now have to push the bell shelf into the wall. The tiny hole in the ground was weird. Pushable shelf has red books and coin pattern. Marcus the floor it hints. Oh, okay. The idea here is super neat. The fuck? Oh, I see. I'm on the wrong level. Bookshelf red 2. This is gonna be difficult to figure out for players, I think. That's Nemu, the Mario icon. Place a normal coin in front of it. There's also scratch marks here. I think the scratch marks make it good again. Yeah, I think this is fine. We could also just have this be protruding a little bit. I think we should make this like come out a little bit. Like instead of just having the stand here, we're gonna have it like come out. Like so. That's what I'm thinking. Like, okay, it's blatantly obvious now, but that's fine. This is not good because this is a hard puzzle to figure out. This is good because we are showing a cool idea to the player, and the player is like, oh, that's neat, my brain is expanding. So it doesn't need to be difficult. Difficulty here is unnecessary. Bethesda type mindset. Bethesda puzzles are look at the item in your inventory. Which, how the fuck would you even think to do that? Let's see, next is added one box to the boxes on the right side. He added a single one box. Chest platform on the left side is now boxes. Okay, I like it, I like it. This looks like a cargo room now. Good call. Weird hole in the wall is now broken crate. Weird hole in the wall. Oh, that's such a good idea. Also very, very good. Why are you using primitive color alpha here? If you're using primitive color alpha, it's gonna be like one extra instruction. So instead we just like to do this. Added windows to match outside. Yep, they look good. Probably attached ropes again. Yeah. Made a book bigger so it doesn't look out of place. Oh, this one here. Yeah, that is about the same size as the rest. Anyone remember what we put here? Like what the text was? I think this says Captain's Log, and then... Dude, this text, something was in here, but I don't know what it was. Updated candle and all make the flame the same color as the windows. Looks nice. Wait, so what were you thinking for the chandelier? I didn't see that in there. I think it was a bunch of nonsense. Probably. Yeah, not that this looks good, but like originally there was something like this. God, you need to look up at the chandelier to even see it because of the culling radius. Oh, you updated the flame color, I see. Oh, what the fuck? That's for sure a bug. What the hell? Crumbling floor room, updated textures and lighting. Okay, I like these textures. Updated ceiling design. Okay, the lines here align again. I see what you did. Updated tile floor. Tiles are now square. Previous bricks didn't make much sense in a boat. Requires more actual tiles, but probably fewer polygons. Okay, I'll have to make a lot of programming changes here, because this is gonna be a completely new layout, but it shouldn't be an issue. My question is, does the size of the tiles match up? 333 coordinates, and this is 2500. There's no possible way this can match up, because 2500 is not divisible over 333. So they're kind of squished. Wait, Badoob just wrote me. Is this good news? Okay, quick detour. Quick detour. He made a saloon song. The beginning of it is kind of like the zoo level. It's a lot like the zoo song. It's a nice song, but it doesn't quite have the vibe I'm looking for. And it's too much like the zoo song. Let me see if I can find the zoo one. What's the music? A song Badoop just made. I don't have the zoo song anymore. Let's see. Let's see if I can find it on here. Yeah, it's the same one. Let me just tell him what I was thinking here. I was thinking it should sound like this. Yeah, too upbeat and happy, I find too. Oh, he says he's changing it. Nice. Yeah, that was for the saloon. Okay, I think this is all the changes to the room. Ah, okay, he's saying he was too happy too. I guess he made this before he saw the saloon. It's kind of difficult, I guess. Sleeping tables room. Let's see what we have here. Updated geo and lighting. Ah, okay, so this is now the blue room. Ooh, that looks cool. I like this. Still got the crack in here. Kept the blue and teal vibe because I think it fits this room. Added a big net to negate fall damage, kinda unfair to die from that fall. That's true. Yes, the player should not take fall damage here. Although it's kinda hard to take fall damage here. The Kraken is way too low res. Yeah, it is a little bit out of style, I agree. Well, there isn't much I can do here. Oh, I guess it's also no longer an opaque day color. Don't you have the original one? I think so. Can maybe subdivide it more. Maybe make the big net bouncy like the hammocks. Having to make a whole loop if you miss the retro rhyme is not fun. Well, you can just walking up here. Let's be honest. This is 800 codes. You can just side flip up there almost. This will be fine. Hello, Agile Gamer. Put in the level for visual 8, but you should remove it and replace it with a dynamic. Actually, the intention, honestly, was that you would fall down here and you would have to do the whole loop. Because I was thinking that the first time you fall down here, you wouldn't have explored this area before. But that's probably fine. This is probably better. This is safer for sure. Widened part with the hammocks. We'll have to either remove one side of the hammocks or scale them a little bit. White. Okay. Well, I can just scale the hammocks. I think that will be fine. Remove door to the Shy Guy flag game. What? Entrance is... Wait. entrance is now in the pink room below the big net for consistency with ship exterior. Add sketch marks in front of the door. What to climb back up may not work with room lead-in. Maybe have a shy guy bell throw you up to the room. Okay, So I guess the switch that we had here now just has to open this instead of spawning a block. That's fine too. I'll add it to the to-do list. The switch to enter Shy Guy says game needs to open the door instead. Although this is gonna be difficult cutscene wise. Like, are you just gonna step on that and then the camera is like gonna go out of here and show you that? Yeah, it's spawn time blocks so you could climb up and enter the door. Maybe it's a bit silly, but it's kind of like how the other puzzle works. You just hear creaking doors, it should be fine. I think it's gonna be a bit confusing. What if we make a hole in here that you can look through? What could a hole here be made out of? Just like a hole in the wood, is what I'm thinking. Dude, these textures are so much better. Why is there a white prim color on this again? Oh, BioBike loves doing this. Just cut the camera to the doors. Just like have the camera be like here so you can see. Yeah. Cut the camera to the outside where the door opens. Maybe also show the door slowly closing again to make this a time challenge. I think that would look very cool. I don't want to escape my past. Rope to climb back, may not work with moonlighting. May have a shot. Okay, let's see that. Rope to climb back, may not. Okay. No, I can program objects to exist in 2 rooms at the same time. It's gonna be a bit difficult to make this work with the room overlap, but it should. The door's closed, how do you get out of there? We'll make it so that if you are in this room, then it's not gonna... then it's just gonna keep open or something. Or we put a switch here as well, right? It wouldn't hurt to just have a switch here as well to open the door. Updated switch mini room, slightly tweaked size and position. Yep, that looks a lot nicer now. Switch should open the doors and not be timed. Why was it even timed before? Oh, I like it timed. Because like you get to run and then you crouch to like run below here, which is a very cool experience I find. Doors are double doors dot blend. Cool new custom made windows. Yep, I like them. Why are they cutouts? They need to be layer 1. It's a lot cheaper to render layer 1 than layer 4. Well, not a lot, but it's a little bit. They can also just be fused with the rest of this now. Because they're no longer layer 4. That's pretty cheap. Well, layer 1 is cheaper. I know, Leela, but it needs IMRD. Yeah, I know. See, okay, this is something ROM makers do. They keep telling you layer 4 and layer 5 is so expensive and don't understand why, and it's literally just not even true most of the time. And shall the image file that explains what I thought seemed confusing with one of your polygons. Okay. An image that is confusing with my polygons. You only... Huh? I am very confused by this. To only add the first one amount of polys or the second one? What am I looking at? Is this a troll? I don't get it. No, I mean, an email is nice and easy for me to read. That's not the issue. But I don't understand the post. Something up here. No, this is alright. I don't know what you could possibly have seen. Switch should... Oh, okay, wait. Cool new custom-made windows, that's what we just had. Updated anchor to match outside. Let's see where the anchor is. Oh, we have two anchors now. Let me check this material. He did this again. Why is he doing this to me? Dude, this is not even a sneaky triangle. This is a sneaky display list comment he's inserting. That's like less than a sneaky triangle, but more than nothing. That's true. You make sure that your anchor doesn't get eaten. Slightly tweak size and position. Switch should open the doors and not be... Wait. Nope. Attach the beds to the walls and poles. The beds? Oh, this. Okay, I see what you mean. Updated cobweb placement. Cobweb? Cobweb? I don't know what cobweb is, but I'm gonna trust you on this one. What did you do to this one here? Because this is a CPU generated texture. I guess you didn't change it. Yes, can I send it please? Sure, you can do that. Flag game room. Pillars everywhere. Oh my god, this looks so powerful, dude. Look at this. Sick ass glowing goo. Please animate it like we said. I don't know if I completely remember what you wanted, but surely I can do that. Edit a star platform. Ooh, that looks very shippy. Room 5 layer 6 scale texture on the sign is no longer used, but I don't know what to do with it. Room 5 layer 6. I love how all of these objects are just misspelling of Mario Start. Awesome. Room 5 layer 6. Okay, well, if it's no longer used, we delete it. This is gonna make a compile issue, but it's fine. I have to fix a bunch of errors with this anyway. Added cobwebs, okay. Rotating room and treasure room. Dude, this room is so fucking cool. Oh, he also updated this. That's one thing that I complained about. This looked really bad before. But this is so cool how the lighting transitions between rooms. Oh, I like it. The room is now shaped like the back of the boat for consistency with the outside. Okay. Dude, I love this area. This is such a cool idea. Treasure room is now shaped like the back of the boat. Resize the box. I don't know if I did it correctly. Resized the box. Oh, the... Okay, I see what you mean. The room box. This is just an additive blender. Additive blending is very strong and very underutilized. It gets you cool lighting effects. glowing gold. New props include real-time ray traced gems. Real-time ray traced gems. So let's see these real-time ray traced gems here. Size 4x8. Okay, if it's a 4x8, it needs to be an RGB 32. Yep, that's a real-time ray traced gem, if I've ever seen one. Can you believe you put ray tracing into my Blender file? The Mona Lisa is here. You could, dude, you have a fucking silicon bug warning. The coin texture's bad? Maybe. I think the Mona Lisa reference is fine. I'm a little bit split on it, on whether I like the Mona Lisa reference, but I think it will be fine. Oh, layer 5, can't have that. Oh no, none of these set the render mode in the 2-cycle material. We're gonna have a lot of render issues in this, I think. But it's fine, we can fix them all. Put the star wherever. True. I'll just put the star somewhere. Try plopping in my coin texture. Nope. Do you have a favorite painting? No, I don't like paintings. I don't like that, like, paintings are synonymous with art. I think that's stupid. I don't like paintings at all. I'm a painting hater. I thought Mona Lisa was a turtle. Fair, honestly. I can see why you would think that. You can use a higher risk grayscale coin texture and vertical probably. Yeah, but we don't want that. Actually, we might have already done that. Updated textures and lighting. Okay. Added props. He added props. I guess the rooms no longer look the same. That's good, I think. I'm not sure what props he added here. Rooms are slightly taller now to make way for ceiling pillars. Okay. Merge the last room with the new captain quarters. Oh shit! What? Where did this come from? Oh my god. This whole room came out of nowhere. This wasn't here before. That looks fucking sick. Yeah, the painting is perfect. He just has paintings of himself and of his ship. That's very in character. Put the skybox outside and see how good it looks. Oh, I'll definitely add the skybox here. Let me make a note for that. Or maybe instead of the skybox, I'm thinking lighting from the outside. Okay, that's made. I'm 50-50 on this. Because if we add the skybox outside, we also need the lighting from the skybox, right? It's alright with the skybox? You think so? Do you think maybe we need to add like a light source to these rooms? Is it a bit weird that they're just bright like that? Alright, I'll make a note for that. Add skybox to Captain's quarters. Also, this room needs a Yoshi coin. There needs to be a Yoshi coin in here. This room's too cool to just be useless. Okay, let me go back down here. Captain's quarters, 8 million polygons. 2,300 triangles, that's fine. Literally no other purpose except be pretty. World building, true. This is a very liminal space here. I'm not ignoring you on purpose. Alright, I'll look at your updated painting. This still makes no sense. It's not a show. I thought I had 6 or 8 polys and drew what I thought it looked like and only used 4 in my image example. What is it? What am I looking at? I don't get it. Just trust that it's fine, I think. Don't ignore me, Leela. I will put you up on the clothing rack and I will never let you down again. Parents are both unbreakable because they have decoration on them. Yeah. The paintings from the red coin room are here now. Could do an Easter egg with the treasure map. That's a good idea. How would you do an Easter egg with this? Karte? Use the Gemini. Oh, he sneaked in another display list comment here. This is a prime opportunity for an Easter egg, I agree. Got this? Oh no, it can't work as an IA8. How can we make an Easter egg out of this? Something like the way you enter the ice capital to imply the pirates once were on the island. Ah. Yeah, that would work. That would work. Although it's gonna be hard to visually showcase this. I'm gonna note this down under my end of game stuff thing. End of game stuff. The pirate map in Chorus 5 should mark a location that corresponds with the ice cap secret level entrance. Doesn't need to be a perfect hint, just a neat reference. Yeah, we need the overworld first, so this is definitely not a to-do for right now, but for later. So it should load the background from the ship exterior. Yeah, that's pretty easily done, especially if you make this a background itself. Very, very easy. Could you square if you died even before equal sizes here? What I'm saying is I think your netting square doesn't need those 6 or 8 lines. Oh, you're talking about the netting? Wait, this is supposed to be about the netting? I thought this was about the thing marked here. Okay, wait. Let me see what you mean about the netting. You mean to tell me to get rid of this, but these are actual polygons that deform stuff. I don't want to get rid of them. Sure, we can reduce the try count, but it's gonna look worse. What layer is the carpet on here? 5. Is this carpet only used here? Shit, this carpet is gonna be annoying to make work. This was never a robot ripoff. Come on. I'm being bullied. Okay, we can never use environment color alpha. Environment color alpha is a random value at any point in time. It can be anything. Carpet light. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, it's this one. Oh, we need to edit this. Right, okay. I could have pressed Alt R. I could have saved so much time. There we go. Saved. Any env color, env alpha is... Oh, okay. Good. I think I messed up the transition here. But I should be able to save it to look somewhat fine at least. Is anyone going to complain about this? That's the best we're gonna get. You will? Shit. Barely visible. Lila's job is to complain. That is true. Okay, I can fix this. I cannot fix Lila, but I can fix the carpet. The fuck? Okay, I need to do something about this. Dude, can I fucking see the level? Oh, there we go. Wasn't that complicated. What the hell? How can this be? Dude, it's this weird snapping settings again. So it's exactly 28, I see. Let's do it like this. That is seamless. But the size of these don't match up. Yeah, that's the most seamless we're gonna get it. I think that looks fine. I live in Canada. Wait, what the hell? Why is there a seam again? How did this happen? That's seamless. You can see the seam. Where? It's literally the same UV coordinate. Look at that, literally 48 exactly. It's not possible for there to be a seam. Actually, I think I know what you're seeing. Maybe it is possible for there to be a little bit of a seam. Doesn't get any better than that. Rotate that so the moon is visible through the windows because that looks cool as hell. True. I'm gonna add that. Next room, prison. Oh, that's an interesting lighting. Lighting now in the dark. Beta cannons with ray tracing. Cannons with ray tracing, unbelievable. Yeah, that's ray tracing. Beta secret hole. Okay, yeah, that looks good. We need to make sure that the hole is actually seamless though. It's gonna be difficult. Updated torch designs. Yeah, the torch were really, really cheap. This kind of looks like Minecraft though. You know why this looks like Minecraft? It's because you didn't give it the patented case twist. You think this is better? Maybe? If it wasn't in the wall? I think this looks a little less Minecraft. It won't look Minecraft with a flame. Maybe? Updated cage design will need collision for the bars. Yeah, this cage is a lot prettier. Looks good. More and better chains. Okay, yeah, the chains are better. Just make sure the combine on this is fine. It is fine. Is this supposed to be a CI4 or does this also work as an IA8? IA8 has a lot more precision, so I prefer this actually. Same here. IA8 is gonna look cleaner. That's IA4, it could be IA8. It's gonna look the same in Blender, but in-game this is gonna look a lot better. So is this using the same thing, bottom 6 like a DMC or the other one? Neither actually. I'm using, or well actually right now it's using something similar to the Portal one, but I'm making my completely own version, because the one that's in Portal 64 is bad. The Lib Ultra that Nintendo provided is really, really bad. Hello, Kaflash. Why do the bars have white outlines now? They were already there beforehand. This just made them visible. Knocked down a door for the sake of variation. Oh, okay, that looks cool. Lip case one. It's kind of what I call it, yeah. Actually, no, it's the original is called Lip Ultra. I called mine Lip Super, because when Digimons evolve, I don't know if they have a super level, but I think that's the level after Mega level in Digimon. Yes, but they didn't have them when I was modeling. I changed the texture last minute, so that's probably why. I can look into it and see if I can remove it. But we all know this shit never fucking works. It goes Super then Ultra. No! Hey! They have black outlines. It worked. Ultra is better than Super? No! Okay, what comes after Ultra? Ultimate? Mega? Lip Mega? And its ceiling beams? Ooh! Dude, the way the lighting stops here is so good. Lip Hyper, there we go. That will be my legacy. Can this be an IA8? It can be. Mesh must have color layer called call. Okay, dude. Why is it warning me of that? Do we not have that? Surely we do. Does it matter if you're online when the main copy problem still persists? You're using Mario? I doubt it. Comedy Club. This is an Easter egg level that most of you guys probably won't even be seeing if you play the game. Updated textures and lighting. Okay. Ooh, this looks very nice. Slightly updated geo, better hole, instant joke about my ex. What? What? Okay. Biobag's ex had a bad hole. I see how it is. Gave the a little stage to perform. His stage is very cool looking. I like it. Added very modest amount of vegetation. Yeah, the vegetation is perfect, especially since this is underwater. It's very fitting. Another sneaky displayless comment here. Okay, this is layer 5. This should be fine. This is like the Banjo-Kazooie special, is it not? Planks all around because of the hole, makes sense. Added ceiling beams, added rope, changed the watercolor. Added rope? Oh. Yeah, very nice and decorated. I'm always sus of these now, because something always seems to go wrong with these. I think we can actually have backface cutting on this. Not that it matters, but yeah, we could. Call it Liberty. Oh! Make an out of bounds able to be seen treasure room. The players will have to be like, oh, if only we can have it. Nah, that's weird. I don't want people to look out of bounds. And that's it. Those are the level changes in this file. The question is, how much of the collision still lines up? Yeah, that's what I thought. None. Actually, a good amount still lines up. I think it's gonna be easier to remake the collision map from the ground up. The sick-ass rub rope in the prison. The wrap rope. The wrap rope? What am I looking for? On a ceiling beam. Oh, the chain! Oh! Oh, yeah, that is very sick ass. The room's near the room with the giant table. The room with the giant table? That? They're all rooms. Greetings, insane level detail, you're getting better and better, I can't wait for release. Well, Biobag made this, so you should be praising him. But yes, this looks very, very good. Did I not have backface cutting on this, on these? That's better. We should ban at the Tilly as a punishment for someone saying something stupid. And everyone is on board with it? God damn. Dude, how do we have 170 viewers? What did I do? Why am I suddenly famous? I didn't do anything. Make sure to buy my energy drinks. Okay, before I'm doing anything, I'm gonna push all my stuff. Pre-C5. I'm gonna be so busy working on this week. You deserve to view us. It's kind of weird to talk about deserve in the context of YouTube, because you just kind of get what you take. Right? How do you measure what someone deserves? I'm in the Saturn Dev community and videos can share regularly. Oh, that's cool. Banning Arthur Tilly would stunt my popularity? Or is it the Leela shoutout that would? You think we were gonna be like, oh man, Leela likes this, I better avoid it. I don't want to become a fucking weirdo like her. Okay, it's all committed. It's not gonna export on the first try, I can already tell you. There's still many active Mario 64 hackers. Most of them just don't really do anything special. It exported? How? Biovec jump scare. True, actually. Oh, I need to alt age. Oh god, this is gonna be... Okay. Dude, I remember how to do it. Let's go. It's really sad about Portal 64. I wonder what James is gonna do about this. Highly concerning. Okay, the errors are room 9 layer 4, room 5 layer 6. Okay, room 5 layer 6, Biobike said he got rid of it, so we can delete it. What the fuck? What kind of cursed setup did I do here? Honestly, this is optimal, so can't hate on that. Just a little practical to work with. Make sure to turn on Medblade. I'm not turning on Medblade for now. Medblade is going to be turned on at the very end, because it makes it more difficult to work with stuff. Room 9, layer 4. Is this room 9? Oh, okay, I see how it is. At one point, can you make videos showing how simple and easy it is to make context? I will explain how it works, but how to do it? No, it's self-explanatory. If you can't figure it out, then that's on you. They should see a button for it in Fast64. Like, you're not gonna get any more help than that. I don't think a whole video for that is warranted. In fact, see, if you want to know how to use texture scrolling and you really can't figure it out, you can go into the Fast64 Discord and say texture scrolling doesn't work. And then Leela will be like, dude, it literally works, look, this is how you do it. Room 9 layer 4, so this is room 9. There's a bunch of layer 4 assets in here. one issue we're gonna have is that a lot of the rooms will have visuals that are sorted wrong. It's called Murphy's Law. True. Murphy, yes, of course. Yeah, one time I told my very close friend that I liked her, and she said she does too, and now we're dating. Many moons ago when we were in the middle school, I remember she once picked up a dying rat and just tucked it in the woods behind my house. Okay. Why did you tell me about the fucking rat? Who cares? Bro. Oh, right, I removed room 2, layer 6. It compiled. There is no way this looks right on the first try. Can't remember this is a joke as a result of coleslaw. Yeah. That's a good response to that. Hello, Case. Today I ate pasta, and 7 years ago I killed a raccoon and buried it. Yep. Yeah, so this is about what I expected to happen. Oh, you already moved everything up 500 coordinates. Then why the fuck did it crash? You know what? I get to show you guys the debugging emulator today. Oh, I have a good idea why it crashed. Probably the sales. Yippee! Fortnite on cola, yippee! How do you know about coleslaw? It's when you mix vegetables in mayo and sauce. That sounds disgusting. Dude, I'm glad there's a law against that. Haven't seen it already? Probably. I don't like this graphic plugin. This is not a fully cooked emulator yet. I'm just beta testing it for the guy that made this. And I like this emulator a lot. I might have to reopen it. Okay, hot take. This is gonna make me unpopular because of all the programmers here. But I think programmers in a 35-hour work week, they just work 10 hours. I feel like programmers are the laziest people on the planet. Every time I hear a programmer talk about their job, it just sounds like they're doing nothing all day. Cool crash. Matrix underflow? Good for them, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not hating. Except when programmers say about how busy they are, because clearly they are not. Are you programming for your job? Yeah. I'm not being lazy though. But there's legit, this is a thing going on. Programmers are being overemployed, meaning they take on free jobs and they work like 10 hours on each one of the free jobs. And they get free salaries. And no one notices. Programmers get away with like so much shit. As a 3D model, I think VTubers work the hardest should be paid more than lesser people. It's true, Biobank. It's not everyone, but it's a lot of them. There's articles about this too, about programmers that just feel like they do nothing on their job, that just scroll Reddit all day. So next customer reworked? That's up to Biobank to decide. Okay, why would there be a matrix underflow here? Very interesting bug. This is definitely pirate music. Yar har. Oh, the factory. Yeah, you could do that one if you want. Dude, why are you posting this ChatGPT message 4 times? I get it. I'm not gonna respond to everything everyone says, because sometimes I just don't have an interesting response, and then I will just ignore your message. It makes the stream more pleasant for everyone. Wait, fuck, I just messed up the net. Go swap the poop deck. Why is that a joke? That was a joke in Battle for Bikini Bottom. How is that funny? What's funny about swapping the poop deck? Yeah, if I'm ever ignoring a chat message from you or just miss it, it's personal. Like, I've singled you out. It means I hate just you. Out of everyone in this chat, you're my least favorite chatter if I ever ignore a message from you. Just for your information. You should take it personally. You should honestly take a clip from the stream of me ignoring it and compile it and then post it on Twitter and say I'm a bad person. Don't even tag me on it, just say I'm a bad person. That's a shame. Yeah, real shame about that. What's funny about the word poop? No, what's funny about swapping the poop deck? Biobank has been counting every time I ignore a message. That's another stat. That's another tally. Yeah, it's true, Goonie Balloony. Actually, I don't know how much 3D artists are paid, but I can definitely confidently say that programmers are overpaid. We are out of pirate music. Damn. I mean, that's why so many people want to be programmers, right? Soon programmers are gonna be unemployable, and then we're gonna have a different issue entirely. My face with poop on it. Damn. Okay, we should start trying things to prevent this crash. Let's remove a bunch of objects and see if it still crashes. You got a new OST from me? That's the exact one I had opened just now. Zayna, you just sent me the same one we just listened to. Alexander Winter Highlander. Okay. Okay, something about the combiner doesn't work. Interesting. It's definitely very spooky looking, but I like it. Oh, you removed the lightning effect. Probably on accident. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be really hard for you to model around, actually. Yeah, the thing is, to have a thing affected by lightning, you need to subtract nth color. So this was basically impossible for you to do, honestly. Oh, this looks bad too. Why is that? See, the way I add the lighting is like this. And then I just set the environment color to 0 here. So it literally just subtracts the environment color for the lightning. The demo didn't have this, and yes, the waves are part of the level. I just removed a lot of features from the level because it had issues. Yeah, it's easy to put it back though, so it's no big deal. Now, why is this not working? Oh, you made a 2-cycle texture. This needs to be 2-cycle to work correctly. Okay, easy fix. I'm also gonna subtract nth color here. Oh, it was already subtracted. Nice. Okay, let's load into this level again and remove different objects to see which one could be crashing. Our levels will be reworked eventually. That's not unlikely. I don't like Banjo-Kazooie. Not a fan. Ugh. No, which one of the... Wait, there are Yoshi coins in this? I already added Yoshi coins to this? The fuck? Why do I not remember that? Either way, these probably suck. Do they not suck? Behind the middle sail pole and one of the cages, middle of the falling stairs, on the pole. Oh yeah, these all suck. Okay, we can easily add some. It looks good, but I liked it better when it was worse. Dude, I genuinely got comments before that were like, dude, I think actually Kaz's best tech is Mario 64 Madness. The one shitty garbage hack. Just because it had soul. After that, Kaz lost his soul, honestly. I think the most likely one to cause these issues here is the lightning and the texture items. So let's remove these and see if it still crashes. Maybe it's a Shy Guy Captain. We're gonna remove one object type at a time. We're always gonna remove the one that seems most likely to be causing the issues here. Well, that's still not it. What else could it be? I don't think it would be the moving crates, but I'm gonna remove these next. Because they do some weird camera math. Sonic Adventure is fine by default. Like, yeah, there's a bunch of bugs, but it's playable. It's not like Sonic Heroes bad. Sonic Heroes is generally just unplayable. We tried to beat the game, and then one level that's like 12 minutes long, we died to 3 different bugs, like in the level, during the A-rank stuff, and it's just, no. Like, it actually gets in the way, the bugs. Sonic Adventure, no issue. Sure, there's stupid parts, but no game-breaking bugs like that. Hello, Marcelo. That's good. Still crashing. How? It couldn't possibly be the Boo guys. At least I don't think so. We're getting desperate. Maybe I should have tried the binary search strategy instead. Did I know the Dreamcast with almost no dead zone? No controller comes with a built-in dead zone. The N64 stick doesn't have one either. You can just program the dead zone into the game. Alright, let's do the ship cannon next, I guess. And then after that, the ghost platform, maybe? But how do any of these cause a crash from just changing the level geometry? That's the crazy part here. Dude, this feels so weird. It's like there's less input lag than usual on the simulator. No, don't make them boop, guys. We only have 2 ghost platforms? Weren't there so many at the beginning? I feel like I had like 6. How? Could it be a fucking coin formation? What if it's like a coin formation going over the rim, and because there's no floor, it just crashes? That doesn't even make any sense, no. Desperation, yeah. But no, we will find the culprit eventually. Dude, the Xbox controller has a left drop by default. It feels so weird to use. It was the coin! Oh, that looks cool. That looks cool as fuck. It looks so grimy and dirty now when it's dark. But I kinda like it. These do not look good. Not at all. Something seriously went wrong with these. I don't think they look that ugly in the level. I guess we have to figure out what's wrong with the coins. No, they do look this ugly in the level. Pileback didn't mean to do this, right? There's no way. This texture feels like a miss. Is it just me thinking this is ugly? I think the issue I have with this is that it has so much less detail than the rest. I have an idea. I think there's a pretty easy fix here. Just needs a bit more detail, honestly. Maybe it's too dark now. Still don't really like it. Gen alpha selling. I don't think it's Gen alpha selling. I think it's just people ages 15 to 25 pretending it's Gen alpha slang and then making fun of it, pretending that's what they actually do. You guys turned into the boomers. A bit too dark. It's a bit too bright. Yeah. That's about the best I can do, I think, without changing the vertex colors on everything. This should work. It also makes the darker parts less dark, which I kinda like. Although at that point we might want to turn this into a proper I4 texture instead. I think it would look better that way. Heh. The selected area is empty? How? Heh, what did I do? Control J. Select the black parts. Okay, now it works. Let's try that. No. I think that's the best we can do with this. It's too bright. I don't think it's too bright. But if you want to turn the brightness down, we could just turn this down a little bit. But keep in mind, nth color is still going to be subtracted from this. Make it more HD, the outlines look whack. Can't. If anything, we might need a different texture altogether. We still need to figure out why the coins are crashing. That's a little bit mysterious, don't you think? Don't I think? Was that it? Just that one? We also need the depth floor here. Actually, this doesn't need to be a death floor now that I think about it. Because you can't actually go here anyway. I'm pretty sure this is a different one. But actually, let me just actually set this to death, just in case. Would you work this out on a decommissioned Mario game for GameCube? I don't know. Just a stark contrast compared to the ship. I don't think contrast is bad. It would look weird if the light was not part of the world. I would see that. That's usually what it is when something just looks off, that the lighting is just wrong. Hello, Neovim. Yeah, I need to switch my emulator. Dude, it feels so much better to be on a GameCube controller. What the hell? Yeah, it was that coin. Oh, never mind. Apparently there's more than just the one coin. Are you really that hungry? Could you hear my stomach grumbling? I don't feel hungry, but I guess my stomach is used to eating a lot. Oh, what the hell? What the hell was that? Hello, Justin. That is SMG5, the legendary Son Goku. Dude, fucking Son Goku is in chat. Let me figure out the door spacing that we use in this level. That's a bad example. $50 units, okay. This doesn't feel like 50 units. Too many objects? You saw the hut disappearing? I don't think it's too many objects, but something definitely is wrong with the coin formation. Although it is true that too many coin formations will cause a weird crash. What is this UV mapping? You are looking at the collision map. It has garbage UV mapping. It's done. How I have a bounty with the Goombas and a trench coat half. I would say we just put wanted dead or alive on without a bounty. Nope, even without that, it fucking dies. Interesting. So it's not the coin formations. Wait, I didn't even kill the coin formations. What am I doing? I meant to kill them. Three coins, one for each. It's 5 Goombas in the challenge codes. Or maybe 3. I actually don't know. I think 5 though. The hut is still flickering. It's still crashing. Actually, it should be... No, now that I think about it, it needs to be the texture items. I'm pretty sure it's both the coins and the texture items. The texture items shouldn't work right now, because the geometry is different. They should be iterating over invalid vertices, and they should just cause a crash like that. Yeah, that's why I don't want them to have a bounty, because I don't want that to add to the coin counter. Yeah, okay, it was the texture items. We need to remake the texture animations. That's what's going on here. Oh, the anchor looks bad. Let's see why the anchor looks so bad. Did you do the lighting and vertex colors thing again? You did. You can't have that. Unfortunately, it doesn't work. What do you use GIMP for if you have Photoshop? Photoshop has a few issues that GIMP doesn't, so that's when I use GIMP. It's a bit stupid that I have to. You can use that epic ray tracing? Yeah, but it has to be like this. Why? You can't have lighting and vertex colors at the same time. And you need vertex colors... no, you need lighting to do env mapping. That's the issue here. I see what you wanted to do. We can't do this in a 2-cycle material. But it would only be brightness here. We'd have to use shade color alpha here. The thing is that the vertices only store either vertex color or the direction the vertex is facing. So if you already have one, you can have the other. Is this something you want, Bioback? Does that look good? Fuck you, how to cry like a motherfucking baby. Okay. I think someone needs to ban that guy. I just clicked on that link and it's just his YouTube channel, I think. It needs to match the green. Okay, I see. I have to change this texture then. No, I didn't mean to open that. Can't ban then, I'm not mod. Damn it. I'm not on Twitch. This good? I think this is good. There we go. It basically looks just like before, except now it works on N64. Mods. Alright. Right, we also need to move the cutscenes up. All the cutscene splines are wrong. How much did you move the ship up by? Like 200 coordinates? He said something in the changelog here. Probably like 700. See, you can't even say YouTube is better if you're multi-streaming. Really? That's crazy. I thought I'm not even allowed to interact with YouTube at all. Alright, that's enough for today. I gotta go finish my workout. I think I'll see you guys next week. I'm gonna probably have this done by then. I'll show you guys some of these on my Case Clips YouTube channel if you want to see it. But I'll see you guys next stream. Bye bye.